Hello everyone, my name is Mary and today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about Ez Battery Reconditioning before you buy this program. I've tested it out myself, and I have some important warnings that you need to hear. So, let's get started. First things first, be careful about the website you're going to buy this program from. It's only sold on its official website. I'm telling you this because you can lose money and be harmed in many ways if you buy it from a site that sells a pirated program to help you. That's right. There are people out there trying to scam you with fake versions of this program. But don't worry, I have provided the link to the official website in the video's description below. Now, let's talk about the program itself. Ez Battery Reconditioning promises to help you bring old batteries back to life, so you can save money and help the environment. But does it really work? I tested it out on a bunch of old batteries I had lying around, and I have to say, I was impressed. This program will teach you how to test your dead batteries using a multimeter to see if they can be fixed. Simple battery reconditioning teaches you how to restore your batteries successfully. You do not need any prior understanding of electricity because this program is presented in a straightforward step-by-step format with basic graphics and diagrams, so that you may follow it without difficulty. And best of all, it works. The creators of this program also provide a 60-day satisfaction guarantee, so you can test it for 2 months, and if it doesn't work for you or you don't like it for any reason, they will give you a refund without any risk. Recently I have reconditioned completely dead battery and now it's like new. I saved money and helped the environment at the same time. But that's not all. Ez Battery Reconditioning also shows you how to recondition batteries for your smartphones, laptops, and other devices. It's a game changer, trust me. But one thing you need to be aware of before you buy this program. For example, it's not a quick fix. You'll need to put in some time and effort to get results. If you're willing to put in the work and follow the instructions, you can save money and help the environment. So there you have it, my honest review of Ez Battery Reconditioning. If you're thinking of buying it, make sure you do so from the official website link in the video's description below.